Hey everyone, Chelsea here from So Simple Home. Today I'm super excited to share with you this month's Creative Girls Club kit. Now if you're not familiar with the Creative Girls Club, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's a fun monthly kit club designed for girls ages 7 to 12. And each month she's going to get 2 fun, easy to follow creative projects in the mail. These projects will teach her skills like painting, beading, stitching, and so much more. And the best part is all of the materials are included in the kit. So that means you don't have to go to the store, you don't have to go through your craft room to find the supplies. They're all included, and once they come in the mail, she can follow the step-by-step instructions and get started right away. Or she can wait and have you help her. The Creative Girls Club also has a guarantee. So if you aren't completely satisfied and you want to cancel your membership, you can do that at any time. So if she doesn't enjoy the projects, you don't have to stick around, which is always a relief as a parent. But these are really fun, kid-friendly projects, and they're all kid-tested and approved. So if you want her to grow creatively, you're really going to love the Creative Girls Kit Club. So let me say she's going to love them. My daughter really has enjoyed each of the projects that's come in the mail, and we look forward to getting our package each month. Let me share with you what today's project is. We are going to create this fun Dreamcatcher. It comes in kind of purples and pinks. It's really fun. This one can be a little bit more challenging, so we're going to show you some tips and tricks on to make it a little bit easier for your daughter or for you helping your daughter. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so today we're going to make this fun little dream catcher that you can get in the Annie's Creative Girls Club. We're going to do the hoop here. So we have this wooden hoop, we have some white yarn, and then we have this purple hemp cord that we're going to use to kind of make the spider web design. And we're just going to set the rest of the pieces aside. So I have my little helper here. So we're going to start, put your hands in there, and we're going to wrap our yarn tightly around so that this little extra piece is kind of wrapped in there nice and tight. And then, okay, now you take this one and wrap it around the back side. You're going to kind of wrap it tight, not too tight, but tight enough that you can kind of push all your yarns together. Keep going. You're doing good.
My hands are too small to get.
And this takes a little while. So when you get them kind of like this where they're stretched far apart, then stop and kind of squeeze them all together so that you can get all that yarn in one spot. Get to the end here. I took over so that we could tie the knot because it's kind of hard to tie knots, huh, Alice?
Yeah, because it's really hard. I tied knots before and they were so easy.
But now it's hard.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take our scissors.
Why can I not cut it?
And trim a big piece.
Trim. Then start looping.
And then we're going to knot.
The hole.
Do a nice double knot here.
Like 2 knots.
Yep, 2 knots.
There we go.
And then we'll take our scissors again.
And can I cut it?
Yeah, here. You got it? Okay, cut it close to the knot right there. But not in the knot. Good. Good job.
Put all
And then this knot here, you can kind of hide when you put your ribbons on. So a little trick with the cording is to get a piece of cardboard or one of these little embroidery thread pieces. Just wrap it around so that as you're working with it, you don't get like a giant knot, kind of like this. Okay, so once you have your cord wrapped around, you're going to take your hoop and you're going to take your cord and put it in a double knot like that. Okay, all right, you come do this.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to take our cord here, and we're going to wrap it around, and we're going to space it about an inch or so, maybe 2 inches between.
Whoa, whoa.
So that we're creating kind of just an outline for our web. Keep going. So once we get to this point, what we're going to do, here, you take this one out, is we're going to take this loop here that we made, and we're going to put our string through it. So put your whole string through there. Yeah, that's going to be a little tight. That's fine. Okay. Then we're going to come to the next loop here and put our string through it. So for this, you don't want, that's why you don't want your loops to be too too tight, because you want to be able to get through those loops. And as you get closer to the end, you can kind of unravel some of what you've done, just to make sure it fits a little bit better. But again, just don't make it super tight, because you're going to see here, you can kind of see how we're getting that design. See that? Kind of that spider webby design. There. Okay, so once we get to this point, we're just going to look at our instructions, and it just tells us to tie a knot and trim the ends. So I'm actually going to cut a big piece here, and we'll just tie our knot right there. Makes a fun little design. Add your fun ribbons to the bottom. You'll add your beads and your feathers, and then you're all set to go. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back and share with you our final product. I hoped you enjoyed creating this Dreamcatcher. I know my daughter and I really enjoyed it. She said her favorite part was putting on the feathers. So if you enjoyed this project, make sure to subscribe to the Annie's Crafts YouTube channel so you can get more inspiration on project ideas. And if you're interested in joining the Creative Girls Club, check out the link in the description so that you can start your Creative Girls Club subscription today. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next time.